start, honestly. I'll see you soon. Don't.
Bye. Bye. Take care of yourself, okay?
She's crying. I have to stop myself from crying. I'm such a mess.
High five. Punch. Oh my god, I'm gonna stop.
The way you just bung that hair together quickly, man. Shit.
I ain't got time for nothing, no, girl. Lay them edges and I'm gone about my business, okay?
I would have been struggling.
Hi, Fibs. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. Cousin number 1, cousin number 2, 3, cousin number 4, cousin number 5, Divalicious. You guys, the squad is out this morning. Squad goals. We are heading out. I don't know where we're gonna end up, but we're ending up somewhere, right, Marianne?
Yeah, baby.
So we're at the bus stop as per usual, waiting on the bus. Say hi.
Hello.
And we, like I said, I don't know where we're gonna end up, so just let's see where the day takes us. And the sad thing is, today's the last day that they're here. Tyler is gonna leave it later when he comes home. Well, not when he comes home, but when they're gone, because they have late flights.
And the house is quiet.
And the house is quiet. And he don't see his cousins.
No one to mess with his toys or pinch him.
Or fight him. Because he and the baby just been going at it, but lately they've been high-fiving. So progress, good progress.
Unfortunately, on the last day.
And on the last day, can I tell you? But I know he's gonna miss them later when they're gone. But don't worry, they're just in London, just a train away.
Yeah,
just
1
a
hour
flight
15
away.
minutes to be specific.
Yes.
Provided it
So
doesn't run late.
hopefully they'll be back more often.
Yes, yes,
You'll
yes.
be back?
Yes.
You'll be back, Diva. You guys, just check out this little Diva. Look at her. Look at her. Oh, she's gorgeous. Yesterday, babe said to me, "Oh my God, honey, she's so pretty."
He's feeling all ready for the
Yes.
next one. Oh, yeah.
Babe is looking at Rowena and he's saying, "Oh my God, look at her here."
Ready for our daughter.
Babe is so ready for our daughter. So now I have an idea what my daughter is gonna look like, right, Rowena?
Oh, no, look.
She's so gorgeous. Charlotte, come here. It's not sand, it's stone. Water look rough.
That's what I'm saying.
It's not sand, it's stone, baby.
What's that?
There's no sand. Hi guys, so this is where we ended up. For now, we're at the beach actually. Not in the water, but the Mario wanted to play on the sand. So he's down there somewhere. Let me zoom and see if I can find him. He is right here. There he is. He's throwing stones. He's right there. So the Mario is down there. And everybody else is here snacking. Rowena is there. Richard, Ian, Marianne, Tyler. guys, so we went to the beach and spent a good little amount of time at the beach because here Tyler, here, because the kids wanted to stay at the beach for a little bit, which we didn't plan for, but they had fun, which is very good. And now we are at McDonald's having lunch, and then we'll decide where we're gonna go after that. But yeah, once they're having fun, that's all that really matters. It doesn't really matter where that they go. Nugget mouth, nugget face, yeah, nugget face. She's having nuggets. Damari is killing that sandwich, and Richard is killing his fries, and Marion is killing that sandwich, that huge sandwich, and Kian is killing sleep over there. Tyler is being naughty. Ty, look, blow them kisses. Hey. Good boy. You're giving them fries too? They're having so much fun. Look at them. They're just snapping away. Snap, snap. These cute babies. Cousins are so gorgeous. Richard. Okay. Richard. We sightseeing, you guys. So we're up on a hill, checking out these views and taking pictures as usual. Before a flight, well, before their flight. Hey, sweet boy. Hey. Sit. You wanna sit? Sit. Nah, right. Sweet boy. Snack break. Nugget mouth. That's all these kids eat. Nuggets. You want juice? Say please. Oh, look at these two cousins. Your brothers and sisters. Now I know what my daughter is gonna look like. So cute. So you guys, this is where we ended up at this waterfall on the lookout point in Nice, which is so beautiful. Somebody walk through it.
Oh my god, I'm gonna stop.
Go inside, dance, dance. Hey, 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 hey. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Lord have mercy. Yes. Tyler is going to die this afternoon when you're gone. Hey, hey. Look at all of them in the tent. Y'all are hilarious. Kian. They all packed up inside the tent.
Except for Richard. With you, Richard.
Except for Richard, which is over there. Damario as usual with his smiles. Want to see yourself? There you are. And Princess. She's so gorgeous. Ka, Rowena is riding you. Go, 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 go. Good job. Look, say bye. Bye. Nice having us.
Thank you for having us.
Group
Thank you for having us.
Say bye, give bisou. Bisou. Alright, let's go. Charlotte, your bag. So we're on our way to the airport to have them catch their flight in a bit. And then I guess everything will be going back to normal, which I was getting used to the chaos and having all the kids around and having 5 of them just playing and messing up the entire house, and I was really getting used to that. But I'm going to miss them so much, and hopefully they'll be back one of these days. But yeah, on our way to the airport right now.
And we're gonna be back longer.
Yes, you're gonna be back longer, right?
Yeah.
All right.
So it's there.
Ha ha.
Don't.
Bye.
Bye. Take care of yourself, okay?
She's crying. Bye-bye. I know she likes crying. I'm not even gonna look
So,
at her. Take care.
take care of yourself. Thank you for everything.
It's alright.
Hey, don't say.
Bye, Tyler.
Bye bye.
Kian. Tyler, give Kian kisses. Take care, busy. Alright, come. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Rachel, go.
Bye.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Alright.
Target to go. You can't go. You can't go. You have to say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Alright, that's stop.
They're gone. Can you guys tell that was the saddest moment in this life? Like, the saddest moment ever. I couldn't stop crying. I just had to walk away, but my cousins are gone and it was so good having them. It's like I was getting used to having them here. It just breaks my heart completely to see them go, but I guess it is what it is. I have to stop myself from crying. I'm such a mess. Oh Lord. Anyway guys, hopefully you guys enjoy today's vlog, and I'm just going to leave you guys here with my crying mess. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below. We love you guys. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys in our next vlog. Bye guys.